Hi! We're here at Antelope Canyon, and it's beautiful today. Are you recording or? Yep. Okay. As you can see, we're here in sunny Arizona, and it's beautiful. It's so deep. You can't really tell if it's so deep because you're never going to reach that far. It doesn't matter.
Try it out, see if you can find the bottom. It's only 900 feet or so. Hey, glasses don't float. Do the... Oh, okay.
Oh god, it's so nice. It is. It's the perfect temperature. Come on, you want me to hold your kayak for a minute?
Make sure he comes up.
Oh, you grabbed us all. Now he got you a front foot.
No. I got it. We've been rolling for a minute now. Yep.
Drive that one off. Wait, hit a rock? I got a little tight on that one. When I got it, I feel like I'm about to do a plunge one. What'd you do, Colin?
Oh.
Okay. When you're ready. 3, 2, 1, go!